friends, welcome you all to Think Max. In this session, we are going to discuss about the frequently asked questions on two levels of mathematics. So in class 10, you have two levels, standard level and basic level. So the first question is, what is the difference between the standard level and basic level of mathematics in class 10 board examination to be held in 2025? So the existing mathematic examination is the standard level examination. So standard level and basic level question paper shall be based on the same syllabus. However, the standard level mathematics assesses higher mathematical abilities compared to basic level. Accordingly, the difficulty level of the mathematics basic is less than the that of mathematics standard. So here the syllabus will be same for both standard level and as well as basic level. Only the question paper will be different. So the difficulty level, so it will be difficult in mathematics standards when compared to basic level. Okay. So these are the main differences for standard level and basic level. Syllabus is same, only question paper pattern will be different. Okay. So next question. Are we increasing the burden on the child by introducing the concept of two levels of exams in mathematics? No, because the option to pick either level is with the student. Further, the syllabus prescribed by CBSE will remain the same for both the levels. So we are not implementing both the level for the student. So any one. You can choose standard level or basic level. Okay. So the syllabus is same. Will this lead to dilution of mathematics syllabus or teaching? No, the idea is to make the evaluation more student centric and reduce the pressure on the student who doesn't want to pursue mathematics after class 10. So if he wants to choose some other subjects in class 11, he can choose this basic level of mathematics in class 10. Okay. Next one, can a student opt for both standard level and basic level exam? No, that is only one option. So you have to choose either standard level or basic level. So if you choose basic level in the 12th standard, you cannot take maths. Okay. So if you have decided not to take maths in 11th, you can choose the mathematics basic in class 10. Next question number 5. To continue mathematics as a subject in class 11 and 12 and further, which level exam does a student need to pass? So if you are continuing mathematics as a subject in class 11th and 12th, you have to choose mathematics standard. So mathematics standard is to be passed at class 10 for taking up mathematics at senior secondary level. Okay. Next. If a student qualifies only the mathematics basic in class 10, can he or she opt for mathematics in class 11, 12? No. So if he or she takes mathematics as class 11 and 12, he has to pass mathematics standard. Okay, so this is strictly followed. Next question 7. If a student has registered for basic level exam but wishes to appear for the standard level after declaration of result, can he or she do so? So if you have written the basic level exam and passed it, next if you want to write standard level, what he has to do? Yes, you can write. He or she can appear in the standard level at the compartment examination if he or she wishes to do so after passing the basic mathematics. So you can appear for the standard examination at the compartment level. Next one, how can I get the sample papers and question paper designs of standard level and basic level? So you can get the question papers in cbseacademic.ni, this website. Okay. So I hope you can understand the difference. Thank you. Thank you for watching.